Have you ever heard the tale of Jake's Jumpstart Juice? Jake was a passionate entrepreneur with a brilliant idea for a new health drink called Jumpstart Juice. It was packed with all natural ingredients and designed to give people a quick, healthy boost of energy. He was convinced that this product would be a game changer and couldn't wait to launch it. But before diving in, Jake remembered something he had learned in a business workshop. Validate your ideas with your customers first. So he decided to take a step back and test his assumptions. His first step was to conduct surveys and interviews. Jake started by conducting online surveys. He asked potential customers about their habits, their preferences, and what they looked for in a health drink. He also conducted in-person interviews at local gyms, smoothie bars, and even on the street, talking to anyone who might be interested in a product like his. The feedback that Jake obtained was eye-opening. Some people loved the idea of a quick energy boost, but they didn't like certain ingredients that Jake was using. Others were interested, but found the price point too high for something they would consume on a daily basis. The second step that Jake took was to validate his assumptions with real-world data. Jake took all this feedback and dug deeper. He tested different price points and ingredient combinations. He even set up a small pop-up stand to sell his prototype drinks and observe customer reactions in real time. The real-world data that he collected confirmed what the surveys and the interviews had suggested. While people liked the concept, the product needed some tweaks. His third step was to iterate on the business idea based on feedback. Based on the feedback and the data that he had collected, Jake made significant changes. He adjusted the formula to remove the unpopular ingredients, lowered the price by finding more cost-effective suppliers, and even rebranded the juice to better match the health-conscious vibe his customers were looking for. When Jake finally launched Jumpstart Juice, it wasn't the same product that he had originally envisioned. It was better. The adjustments he made based on real customer feedback led to a product that resonated with his target market. Jake's story is a reminder to all of us entrepreneurs that no matter how brilliant our ideas might seem, it's the customers who have the final say. Validate your assumptions, gather real-world data, and be willing to iterate based on that feedback. That's the path to creating a product that truly succeeds in the market. Thank you for joining me for this thought for the day, and have a great weekend.